Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. All year, market activity has been tracking below last year's levels. In October, however, the market is starting to look more like last year. Higher mortgage rates and rising prices are keeping some buyers out of the market, but others are pressing on, driving up home prices and keeping the market competitive. Here are 3 things to be watching. First, mortgage rates. Rates hit a 23-year high in October, flirting with 8%. However, those higher rates did not appear to dissuade too many buyers, as new pending sales in the Mid-Atlantic were up slightly between September and October. Some may be thinking rates are headed higher, so they wanted to get in the market now. Others have cash on hand to buy, which means higher rates are not as big an issue. Second, there is some good news on the supply front. In the Mid-Atlantic, active listings have increased for 3 consecutive months. While listing activity is still below last year's levels, buyers in some markets are starting to see more inventory available. Finally, we're watching home prices across the region. While there have been news stories of prices falling in some markets, notably in high-cost markets in California, home prices continue to rise here in the Mid-Atlantic. Overall, the median price across the Bright footprint was up 4.7% in October, but prices rose by 7.7% in Philadelphia and were up 7% in the Baltimore region. The fastest price growth in October, however, was on the Maryland Eastern Shore, where the median price was up 10% last month. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's October 2023 Housing Market Report on the Bright MLS website. Don't forget to register for our monthly housing market webinar, which is next Thursday, November 16th. And while you're on the Bright website, please take a look at our weekly stats, which provide the most timely picture of what's going on in the local housing markets across the Bright footprint. See you next month.